Hi friends, welcome back to the Big Joy of Learning with Bijoyji. In the next few sessions, we will be discussing how to organize our email inbox so that we reduce the time spent searching critical information. CNN Business has posted an article about how your office desk should be organized to make you more productive. And this is how it looked. The article says, in the office, your desk is your command center, and experts say how well it's organized can help set the tone and productivity level at work. The link for this article is in the description in case anyone wants to refer it. Being organized always helps. Be it home, office desk, file room, data in the drive, or even for emails in the inbox. An organized email inbox enables you to get critical messages right when you need them. For this, we need to apply a system that will help us to sort out our incoming emails and get rid of emails distractions right away. Put everything in order and classify them either according to topic or level of importance. Organizing your email inbox will help you to manage your time and priorities better, and in turn will help you reduce stress at work. As a first step towards organizing the inbox, let us discuss the layout of Google Mail Inbox. To set the inbox layout, go to All Settings, Inbox, and then select from the inbox types listed. Each inbox type displays emails in a different fashion. The default inbox type displays tabs at the top of the inbox for sorting, promotions, social notifications, and other less relevant mails out of your primary inbox. The important first type splits your inbox into two sections, important at the top and everything else at the bottom. Now, you must be wondering how to mark an email as important. Click on the important mark on the left side of the mail beside the star. Google also automatically marks certain mails as important using certain algorithms. If you do not understand why it is marked so, you can unmark the same and train Google to understand what type of mails are important for you. The unread first type. As the name says, this type splits your inbox into two sections, unread at the top and everything else at the bottom. Similarly, the starred first type also split your inbox into two sections and displays starred at the top and everything else at the bottom. We will discuss starring emails in detail later. The priority inbox type lets Gmail sort and prioritize your emails for you. With multiple inbox type, you can customize the inbox display and create multiple inboxes according to your choice. We will have a separate session on priority inbox and multiple inboxes. Meanwhile, we will see how the categories works in the default inbox type. Google Mail gives option to sort your emails into different inbox tabs like social or promotion. When this option is on, you won't have to see all the emails at once in the primary inbox. Google Mail automatically maps it and places it into the particular category tabs. To enable this, just go to All Settings, Inbox, Inbox Type, and select the type of inbox as default. Select the categories that need to be filtered from the categories list. And do not forget to save the changes. And there you go. Google Mail will now automatically map your emails into particular category tabs. Organizing emails and getting it properly displayed in your inbox will be a better idea to get the relevant emails when you need them. We will continue the topic on organizing Google Mail inbox in our next session. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.